Welcome to the PII Detector pipeline walkthrough. This sample is a span-level entity detector. You feed it a snippet of text, and it emits a structured list of every personal information span it finds. Email, phone, social security, credit card. 10 entity types in total. There's a confusion risk we'll clear up in a minute. Data tab. 61 source rows. Each row has 2 columns, the text and a structured list of every entity in that text. The entity list is a ground truth. That's the shape the model has to learn to produce. Expand a row to see what one looks like. Now the confusing part. The cleaning tab has a personal information redaction option. That's a regex pre-processing step. It can mask personal information and source text before training. The PII detector model in this sample is the opposite. It finds personal information and emits a structured list. Same word in the product name, 2 completely different features. We're not running the redaction here. Gold set, 200 entries. Each one has a snippet, an expected entity list, and a rationale. The eval handler scores the model's predicted entities against the gold entities per entity type. Synthetic, the lever to grow 61 source rows into 2,000 training rows. For this sample, the generator runs in span mode. You list the 10 entity types you care about, and the teacher model generates new text with matching entity annotations. Local Alama is wired up, but we're not running generation here. It's runtime heavy and lives in its own walkthrough. Dataset Prep. The schema profile shows the scoring mode. Span set. That's the contract with eval. The model has to emit a structured output with an entities array. And eval scores per entity type. Splits are 45 train, 8 validation, 8 test. Tokenization. Same idea as the previous sample. Reports per row token counts and the maximum sequence length you'd budget for. Surface only for this video. Training tab. Empty. Expected. Into the training config page. Defaults to essentials. Flip to advanced. For span extraction tasks, the docs recommend bumping low rank adaptation from rank 8 to rank 16 and targeting all 4 attention projections instead of 2. The advanced view exposes those controls. Defaults work if you're starting out. Evaluation tab. Empty until we have a finished experiment. For this sample, the eval handler scores per entity type. Precision and recall for email, phone, social security, and the other 7. Next video, the sentiment classifier sample. Different task profile, different scoring mode.